Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I have a review. Magic Gel was nice enough to send me a value kit to share with you. This kit is going to be so pretty. I can tell you that right now. The colors in it are perfect for a chilly fall season. Oh my goodness, I love doing sweater nails, and these colors are just perfect for that. You will see that when I start swatching them. So I just want to share with you what Magic Gel sent me here, and I'm going to be doing some swatches of the colors so you can see them up close and better. Now, this is a value kit, so obviously you're getting the kit and you're getting 2 free polishes in this kit, so it's cheaper for you to purchase the kit this way versus buying them separately. So that's why they've come out with these value kits. So of course it's easy application and they're odor free and long lasting. And I do find some polishes have odor, and this is really nice because these polishes do not have odor. So when you're working with them, that is always a bonus. So yeah, just some more things about it and saying how much a nail tech likes these polishes. And I also really love this. They send you the swatch names. Like for the swatch sticks, I always like to print out what each color is, and they've sent these for me to do that. So that's really nice. That's a really good idea. Makes life a little easier when you're doing your swatch sticks to have for your clients to see. And they also have some October specials and more, it says. So you get 20% off these products until October 31st. So I'll color some forms over here. And if you purchase the Fall in Fashion and Cozy Classics kits, you get a free Tactless Luxe matte top coat. And they have a bunch of different colors, of course, in their gel polishes. So now getting to the kit. Now this is a gel polish value kit, like I said, and you get 2 colors for free, so that makes it a great value. And this is called the Cozy Classics. These are the colors. Actually, I will say the colors as I swatch them. I'll show you. But yeah, I'm going to pull out the colors and we'll get swatching them right away. So there is 8 colors all together in this kit, and I will put the link down in the description of this video of this kit so you can find it easily. So it looks like it goes from 74 to 81. So I'm just going to move them all aside and I'll start swatching them. So I'll start with number 74 first and move my way up. So number 74 is called Blushing Brilliance. Now this is a soft pink with a touch of warm gold shimmer throughout. So we'll just open it up and check it out better. Oh, very pretty. So now I'm just going to grab my swatch stick here and we'll see how good the coverage is, how pigmented it is. It's just beautiful. I'm just going to do a second coat on it. I can see the shimmer, but I just want to make it more opaque for you guys to see. Really beautiful pink. My clients are going to love this for sweater nails. It's so pretty. And there's that first coat. As you can see, that really soft shimmery gold in it. So I'm just going to cure it for 30 seconds and then I'll do that second coat for you guys. So I've never used Magic Gel polishes before, but I've used lots of their hard gel colored gels, but this is a really nice consistency because it's just not too thin. It's just really nice. So there's that second coat. It's very, very pretty. So the next one is number 75 and it's Radiant Rose. Now Radiant Rose is a sweet baby pink with a touch of elegant diamond dust shimmer. So kind of like definitely like more of a silvery shimmer it has. It captures a delicate shimmer and makes the diamond truly sparkle. And here it is. Now it is a pink like the other one, but like I said, it has a different shimmer in it. It's a diamondy shimmer, so we'll swatch this one and see how this one looks. And then I'll even compare it to that first one once I get it done. At the end of the video, I will have all of these colors together so you can see the difference, because we're going to see shades that are similar, but yet when you put them all together, you can see that they are all different. So I'll be showing you that at the end of this video, of course. Oh, this one's really pretty. Another beautiful one for doing sweater nails or any nails to do with fall. They're so pretty. So there's that one. You can definitely see it has more of a diamondy shimmer in it. So I'm going to do a second coat of this one as well and then show you. And there's that second coat. So I'm just going to grab both of the colors and just show you the difference. They're definitely a different shade of pink, and of course, like I said, one has gold and one has a diamondy shimmer. I'm just going to turn them here so you can see them better. But you can see that the colors of the pink are different slightly, and then with the shimmer in them, it definitely makes them look a lot different. So the next one that we'll be looking at is called Frozen Grapes, and it's number 76. Now 76, it's a cool grape and soft gray undertones to it, so the creamy mauve is the perfect neutral nude. Favorite for fall, this subtle shade sets a serene mood from morning to dusk all year round. So this is the color that's very neutral and can be used all year round, like they said, so it's going to be a really pretty soft purpley color, and yeah, we'll just check it out here. Oh, that's pretty. Actually, I've had colors similar to this and definitely one of the more popular neutrals. So I'll just grab a swatch stick and check it out here. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Definitely when they chose this kit, they were thinking of the most popular neutrals, because honestly, any of these so far, I would so wear on my nails. You guys know I love neutral colors, and you can complement neutral colors with any colors in general, so they come in really handy with any nail design on having a bunch of neutral colors. So there it is up close, and I'm just going to do one coat of this because as you can see, it just covered really nicely. It's very pigmented for a light color. So the next one is number 77, and this is Porcelain Vase. So Porcelain Vase is not quite purple, it's not quite pink, and not quite tan. This demure and dusty shade of Porcelain Vase is the most in soft femininity. So this is going to be a really pretty neutral one you're going to want to have in your collection. So we're just going to take a look, and this is the color, and I see what they mean by not quite pink, not quite purple. Just has those undertones, very pretty. Again, really nice coverage. Like I'm not going to have to do a second coat. Look at how beautiful that one is. I'm really loving these neutrals. You could just, like I said, pair them with so many different things for fall. Any of these so far would make amazing sweater nails, and for me, sweater nails are so popular in the fall and winter. I do them a lot, so I'm really excited to have all these colors. So the next one is number 78, and it's called French Perfume. And this is one coat coverage. Again, I see some of them do state their one coat coverage, and Porcelain Vase, the last one, number 77, I didn't say it was one coat coverage, but honestly I felt it covered really well anyways. So number 78 is one coat coverage, and it's a natural creamy warm grayish taupe, and this will be a favorite for everyone, it says. So who doesn't love taupe colors? So I'll just show you it here. Oh yeah, that one's gorgeous. It's just a really nice true taupe, so really loving that one. So I'll swatch it and bring it up closer for you. Who doesn't love a nice taupe? And this one is really nice. So here is this one up close. Very, very pretty again. Next one is number 79, and this is Smoky Day. And this one is one coat coverage as well. So this is a subtle grade grape that is more interesting than a traditional gray and gives a modern alternative that is ever so wearable. So we're going to check this one out now. Okay, so it's really pretty. And as you can see, as I'm pulling them out and we're looking at them, they are so neutral and almost very similar looking, but when you put the swatches together, you'll be surprised at how different they all are. Just like I said, a really great set of neutral colors, and you're getting different tones with each one. So I will swatch this one now. So there's one coat, again, really pretty. I see my swatch stick has a bit of a bump in there, so please excuse that. It's just the way it came. Very pretty color again. So number 80 is called Hazy Lilac. And Hazy Lilac is an elegant lilac gray that's both captivating and romantic. Transport yourself to an endless field of lavender or to an evening dinner party with this eye-catching shade. So this is going to be beautiful, I can tell already. And there it is. It's very pretty. And again, this one is one coat coverage, and you can see as I'm applying it that it is covering really nicely. The opacity is gorgeous. It's just amazing how well these neutrals are covering these swatch sticks, so that is a bonus. There is Hazy Lilac, another really pretty color. So the last one in this value kit is number 81, and it's called Lilac Pink. And it says that mysterious, dusty, and deep, the dark creamy shade of lilac with subtle shades of soft pink is a unique taste on a beloved color. So let's check this one out. Oh, another pretty one. Now it doesn't say that it's one coat coverage, but on the swatch stick it really is covering nicely, so I'm not going to have to add that second layer of color, I don't feel. It just is covering it, like I said, really well. Lilac pink, and it must have a bit more of a pink undertone. It's really pretty. So right away, I'm going to be top coating these with Magic's top coat they sent me. I'm just going to grab it here to show you guys. So I'm going to be using Magic's Nail Guard, and this one is a Tactless Hyper Shine top coat. So I will be top coating them, and then I will show you them all together, all of the swatches. As you can see, they are an assortment of soft and muted tones, beautiful neutrals, all very different. I'll bring them up closer so that you can see that. You could pair them with so many things. I love neutrals, a really great kit, and I want to thank Magic Gel for sending me this kit to share with you guys. It is really a gorgeous kit, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.